Okay, this is the phone. The first thing you have to do, you have to take out the two screws at the back here. Put them one side. Okay. Then you use the pencil, you just put in between the metal and the rubber. Place it up. You be careful. Place it up like this and slide it this way. Okay. Now you need to take out this screw here. Okay. All the screws is not the same, so make sure you put them different places so that you will know where to put them back. Take out this metal, disconnect the LCD and disconnect the battery. Okay. Take out the other one up here. Remove the metal and disconnect the front camera. Okay. Now you need to take out everything from this one to replace to the new one, new LCD. Take out this five screw here. All these 5 screws the same. If you like, you can put them all one side. 3 here, 2 here. Okay, you take out the fingerprints. The fingerprints have 4 screws, and all those 4 screws is the same screw. If you want, you can put them one side. It's up to you. Okay, you remove the metal, put it close to the screw. Okay, now you disconnect the fingerprint cable here. Be careful when you disconnect it. Don't rush to disconnect it. Then now you try to take out the fingerprint cable. When you put the pencil, put it under the cable. Don't put it on top so you don't spoil any components. Okay, then you remove the fingerprint from outside, from this side. Okay, you put it one side. Now you need to take out this one screw down here. Put it one side. Okay. Now you need to remove the front camera and the speaker. The screws are not the same, so make sure you put them different places so you know where to fix them back. Okay, you remove this metal on top. Okay, remove the front camera. Okay, remove the speaker. Okay, now you need to remove the cable. Be careful when you remove the cable so you don't spoil the cable. You just remove it very nice. Okay, you take it out, put it one side. Okay, you take out this rubber here. This one is for the sensor. Okay, now you remove this panel. Okay, after you remove everything from the old LCD, now it's time to fix everything back to the new LCD. Okay, the first thing you have to fix, you fix this metal first. You make sure you pass this screen cable here like this. Okay, make sure the IC is on top, the metal is down. Okay, now you need to replace all the screws back. replace this first 5 screw first here. You replace the other 2 this side. Okay. Now you need to replace this screw down here. Okay. Then you replace the fingerprint. You make sure you pass the fingerprint from the screen. Okay, you push the rubber. Remove this rubber. You open it, then you pass the fingerprint cable here. Okay, you put it like this and close the rubber back. Make sure it's very straight. Okay, now you remove the connector. You have to make sure the connector is up and the fingerprint connector is down. Okay, you make sure you put it straight. Okay, then you try to connect these 2 connectors. Make sure you have the right position before you press it. Don't press it hard if you don't have the right position, so you don't spoil the connector. When you get the right position, then you press it down. Okay, now you put this metal, you close it, you place back the first screw. After you replace the fingerprint, now you have to replace the front camera on the speaker and put the connector first. Then you put this sensor cover, you put it down here. Okay, then you fix the connector. You make sure this connector fits perfectly. These 2 holes supposed to enter here. You see the mark, you know that this is how you're supposed to fix. There's 2 holes here. The connector needs to enter this side. Okay, you see the 2 holes here. The connector needs to go through these 2 holes so that the ringer can have the right connection. You see? Okay. Now you put this one. Then you put the ringer, the speaker. Is it nice? Okay. Then you put the camera down. Okay. Your hand's supposed to be there so you can support and hold it. Then you put the rubber, the metal on top like this. Okay. Now you need to replace all the screw back. Okay, all the screws are not the same, but when you pack it like this, you put them different places, it's easier for you to fix back. Okay, after you fix everything like this, now it's time to connect to the motherboard. You connect this small connector first. Okay, make sure you hold the LCD, don't leave it so you don't spoil the connector. Then you connect the front camera connector here. Make sure you have the right position before you press it in. Okay, then now you connect the battery. Okay, then you put this metal down here. Take all the screws. Make sure you hold the LCD with one hand. Okay, then you fix it with the other hand so that the connector will not get damaged. Okay, now you put this other metal here. You make sure you put all the 3 screws there. There's 3 screws, make sure you put all. Okay, now you close it. You start closing from the top side. Make sure the top is fixed properly before you close it down, because you slide it inside. Okay, now you place back the 2 screws. Okay, now you on the phone and test the LCD. The phone is on, the LCD is on. That means okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.